Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. I finally am going to do a Christmas home tour for this year. And I've been working hard doing DIYs, and now it's all come together and I get to share my home with you. So we're going to start by showing you probably the part of my house that has the most. These are all my little favorites, and it's on top of my fireplace under our TV, and there's also a floating shelf above the fireplace. And this is where I just put like all of my little favorites. These actually I got from a Christmas bazaar. A lady would take items she thrifted through the year and paint Santas on them. So cute. Those two little cuties came from Dollar General. You would never guess they came from Dollar General. And then this is like my little Christmas tree section where I have all my favorite Christmas trees. And yeah, it's a lot going on, I understand, but I don't have too many places in my home where I could put these, so they kind of end up all here, but I think it just is so cute all together. The silver reindeer came from Marshall's, and I cannot remember where the wooden looking reindeer came from. I've been trying to think of where I got it. The wooden trees right there, that actually came from Rite Aid. Sometimes those drugstores have some of the cutest holiday decor. And my stocking hangers came from Target, and I absolutely love them. And there it is all together. Yeah, there's a lot going on there, but each piece just means so much to me, has sentimental value, and there it is, all lit up. That little snowman right there just adds sparkle when it's nighttime. Oh my gosh, I love him, and I actually got him from Aldi last year. They have some cute Christmas items as well sometimes, and he's battery operated and he just sparkles and shines. I have a Noel picture hanging in my window. I think I got that from Burke's. And then of course I have my vintage popcorn Mr. and Mrs. Claus. This is how my mom used to decorate when we were little, and it's just so special and brings me back in time to when I was younger. And we had these popcorn decor all over. Those pillowcases I got from Amazon, and I absolutely love them. Here's my ladder, and I have some things that I've bought and some things that I've made, and I just put them all up on my little ladder. The towels I think came from Walmart, and I just love that little deer, and the towels are just so cute, so I decided to put them on my ladder this year. I made this video and went shopping, of course, and I actually found this cute little ice skate at Dollar General. Oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I fell in love with it, so I hurried up and put it in my video. And then on the other side of my room, I have some more Christmas trees. I put some greenery and some items that I already had. I got that little palm tree on a trip to Florida because I love palm trees. And I think this little gnome pillow came from Dollar General as well. There's a sign I had made this year. I love that little Christmas tree. And that flock tree came from Marshall's. And oh, I'm just in love. I want my Christmas tree to be flocked. But it's so messy, I haven't done it. And I haven't bought one like it. But this is my little display. Those homes I think came from Target, and I'm going to show you two different ways to light them up. They are so cute, and that greenery on my cabinet came from Big Lots. I needed to add some flock decor in here, so I just got a few pieces of flocked and added them to my Christmas decor. And I can't remember where that candy cane sign came from. Maybe Marshall's. That little elf on the shelf, my son actually like absolutely hates that. He does not want that there. But oh well, he's staying. So here's a way to light those up just using battery operated sparkly lights. And then on a recent trip to Dollar Tree, they actually had some flameless votives, which I haven't been able to find at my Dollar Tree. So I showed you how to also light these up with the flameless votive candles. They come 2 for $1. Oh my gosh. I think I like the candles and they're a lot better than the battery operated lights.
Have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Oh, yeah. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring.
So moving on over to my Christmas tree. I showed y'all this Christmas tree last year and so many people fell in love that it's a spinning tree. I love my little spinning tree because I can put ornaments all over it and you can see them as it turns and turns. My Christmas tree isn't themed. My Christmas tree has ornaments that I've gotten through the years, mostly from they're mostly Hallmark ornaments on there that my mom's bought me. And she used to always buy us Hallmark ornaments and try to get ones that pertain to like either what we were interested in that year or what was going on in our lives that year. So my tree is not like a Christmas, well, it's a Christmas themed tree, of course, but it's not like buffalo check tree or it's just a mishmash of love. Everything that I've collected through the years is on this tree and it's so beautiful and I love my little tree. So I'm just going to give you a close-up of some of the things I have on it and I'll show you what it looks like at night all lit up.
Friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance.
And that's Mason. That's one of my cats. Mason loves the tree. He doesn't bother it. He doesn't try to jump in it. He lays underneath it and admires the lights. And that is his spot the whole month of December. He loves to take little naps under the tree. And since he doesn't bother it, it's fine with me as long as he's not trying to knock off the ornaments. So moving on behind my couch. I just kind of added this year, I left some of my decor up, which I don't normally do. I just usually replace it with Christmas. This year I just wanted to add Christmas to my existing decor, so that's what I did here. On the table behind my couch, I just added items. I added picks to greenery I already had, and I just left a lot of my existing decor up. And I really kind of liked how that turned out this year.
Out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
That little Santa is an item my husband actually painted when he was a child, and we put it out every year. It's his sentimental item, and he doesn't really care how I decorate for Christmas, but I think it means something to him that I put that out every year. It's sentimental to him, which makes it sentimental to me. That little driftwood Santa I actually got on a vacation in Charleston. A lady was making Santas out of driftwood and I fell in love with that. So that was a new item for this year. And that sign behind it is a sign I DIY'd. That little reindeer I think came from Big Lots last year. and I absolutely love him. And this is how it looks at night. I have battery operated lights on those trees. I actually got those trees from Goodwill last year. They were $1 each, and they were flocked. And I'm in love with flocked anything right now. So that's what it looks like all lit up at night.
Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
Move into the kitchen, and those trees I got from Goodwill last year, and they remind me of Whoville. And I fell in love with them. They're missing some bells. I need to find some to add. And then I just, like I said, I left some of my decor up and I just added more. That's my little Christmas tree that I did in one of recent DIYs. That's actually two Dollar Tree trees put together. And those ornaments on it are actually plastic children's toys that I redid. But I just added little hints of Christmas here and there. And I really love how my little buffet and display above it really turned out this year.
And have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary.
How that tree looks at night, it just sparkles and shines and gives such a warm, cozy feeling in the kitchen. I absolutely love that little tree, and it's just so easy to make. Check out that video if you haven't seen it yet. And then over here, like I said, I just added little items to my existing decor and just gave it that little Christmas touch. Some has more touch than others. And some areas have a little bit more. Like I said, while decorating this year, I realized that even though I have a lot of decor up on my walls, I don't have a lot of space to put small items, so they kind of get all put together. There's my Christmas pies served daily sign and some redone canisters. I don't think those were intended for Christmas, but they were red checked, so I thought that went well with the holidays. And here's the little display that I made on top of my cabinet. I actually added to it, and I'll show you that next. You can see that picture was there. I removed the picture because I remembered I had bought some holiday plates from Goodwill that I had totally forgot about. So I put those up there. And this is a little ornament. I love this little truck ornament from Walmart. And here's those plates. I couldn't believe I forgot to put those out. And each plate's a different color and has a different little snowman on it. They are so cute. It was such a great find at Goodwill. I think I got 7 plates for like $3. And they're in perfect condition, and they're made by Eddie Bauer. So I displayed those up there. That's my little Hobby Lobby clearance dollar sign that I redid. And that's a new addition this year. That came from Dollar General. We love camping, so that was perfect. I cannot remember where I got this coffee cup sweater. I want to say it came from Big Lots. But it was so cute. It was only like a couple dollars, I think. I'm pretty sure it did come from Big Lots. And I put that on top of my tin. Above my cabinets, I added some red berries and signs. That little red typewriter up there says letters to Santa. And then I used command strips and I hung some signs on top of my cabinets as well. That Santa Claus came from Hobby Lobby, and those Christmas tree houses actually came from that Christmas bazaar that we would go to every year. A lady made those, and they're so stinking cute. This cute little sign came from Big Lots this year. I thought it was adorable, so I used a command strip and put that on my cabinet. Then on top of the corner cabinet, I have this cute little piggy dressed for Christmas, and those canisters came from Marshall's. Those are candles with window clings on them that I had made in our video, and down here, I just have some of my favorite Christmas mugs hanging. It says, Christmas calories don't count. I wish that was true.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time.
On my French doors, which please don't look at how awful they look. They're not dirty, they are cloudy. Moisture got in between the panes, so there's no way I can get that removed. We just need new doors. On those doors, I put some window clings and I put the Dollar Tree Christmas ornaments that I had made hanging from command strips. And then I had made these little pillows last year using gift bags from Dollar General. And then in my bathroom, I just have some window clings, and those are gift bags that I put on Hobby Lobby signs just to bring some Christmas into the bathroom. That little soap dispenser came from Big Lots. On my table is items I DIY'd, but this runner, which says Merry Christmas to all and to all a good night with houses on it, came from Big Lots. So cute. And I've been wanting a table runner, so I finally got one this year. I forgot to show you this photo I have hanging over my stove. I got it from a thrift store this year, and the frame was black, and I just painted it white and distressed it. I absolutely love that little picture. And I actually got from a Christmas bazaar, and I think it's so funny, and I put it up every single year. So that was my home tour, and I hope you guys enjoyed. I am so grateful for you all. I hope you all are having a blessed and wonderful holiday season. I know that this year's been so trying, and if something can make you smile during the craziness of this year, Christmas is the perfect time to do that. I love you guys. Thank you so much for all of your kind words and for coming along on this long holiday journey that I put you guys through. I had so much fun crafting this year. I have a couple more videos coming up. I think the last video will be on December 23rd, and I'm going to take the 24th and 25th off. I have family coming into town, so I love y'all. Have a blessed and wonderful day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, y'all.